Meaning of decontrol.
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 Decontrol. The term decontrol refers to the removal or relaxation of government controls or regulations on a particular industry or sector. When decontrol occurs, businesses in the affected industry are granted more freedom to operate and make decisions. This can lead to increased competition and potentially lower prices for consumers. However, it also introduces more risks as companies may prioritize profit over safety or environmental concerns. The effects of decontrol can vary depending on the industry, but generally, it results in a shift towards market-oriented approaches to regulation and governance.